This video is to show you how to do a service engine reset on a blue screen. So firstly, turn the printer off, hold down the 3 and 6 button simultaneously, then turn the printer back on. Then from there, you just simply have to watch and wait until the diagnostic menu comes on. Yep, as you can see in the top left corner, diagnostic menu. Now you can release 3 and 6. Okay, so this is the diagnostic menu. From here, simply go to printer setup, scroll down, and you can see here, reset engine service error. Start, wait till it's complete. Go to exit, and from there the printer will reboot itself and start up as normal. If you're doing the service engine reset on a XC4240, these don't have an external power on and off button, so you'll simply have to come to the back and pull out the power cable and plug it back in while holding the 3 and 6.